What's your name? Let me know.
My name.
Yes.
My name is Karan.
Karan. Congratulations. What a big name. What a famous name, yeah.
Your good name.
Huh?
Your good name.
My good name. My name is Hoi Thui Guang.
I take one.
Hoi Thui Guang.
Very nice.
Hoi Thui Guang means, meaning, come good. So, man, if you see me, you can call me come good. Nah.
Come good, understand?
Yes, come
First come. After good.
good. Come good, meaning,
Come. After first come. Mane first come. After good.
my name meaning is come good. So if you see me, you can call me come good. How are you? How are you doing now? Speak me.
Kamu good din na.